In this guide, we will take a quick look through the Primo Firmware Upgrade Utility. Start by navigating to the Primo folder starting at your C drive, Program Files, Impro Technologies, Primo, and finally to the Bin folder where you will find the Firmware Upgrade EXE application. On opening the Firmware Upgrade Utility, your system will automatically scan for devices. If no devices are found, use the search functions to scan for your devices. When highlighting your hardware, you will see the Network tab update with your device information. You can also make changes to the device network information from this tab. Under the System Status tab, you will find a breakdown of your hardware hierarchy. You can select individual devices to upgrade by clicking the unit image. Selected units will appear with a green tick next to their device name. To run the upgrade, use the Upgrade Selection option. Double-clicking on a unit will open a device menu where you can edit the logical address of the unit or clear your controller memory. The Firmware Upgrade tab will update all devices under the controller's hierarchy. You can run a force upgrade by holding the Control key on your keyboard and clicking the Start Upgrade options. When clicking the Start Upgrade button, a pop-up will warn you that all transactions and logs not yet uploaded to the server will be lost. If you are unsure, please run a full sync in your Primo software before continuing. Once the upgrade has begun, you will see a progress bar next to each hardware unit and its upgrade status. New firmware is uploaded to the Impro FTP site, ftp.impro.net. This should be checked periodically to ensure that the site is always running on the latest firmware. Use the navigation options to check for the hardware you have on site. Clicking on the item will download it to your machine. Rename the current firmware file which is located in the firmware folder, before you extract the newly downloaded firmware to this folder. When running the next firmware upgrade, this will be the version updated to your hardware. The final tab is the Certificate Management. It is used to update security certificates for cloud and self-hosted cloud sites. These certificates can be self-generated from your self-hosted cloud site or provided by the Impro team should you have an Impro-hosted cloud Primo system. This guide covered upgrading your Impro hardware on your Primo installation and downloading new firmware from the FTP site.